So, for my lifelong learning, this is what I thought the importance of lifelong learning meant to me. I said lifelong learning is important to me because it ultimately shapes me into the person I am today and the person I will continue to grow into in the future. It affects and benefits all aspects of my life and heightens my life experiences. I believe learning goes beyond textbooks. People's life lessons varies, and one needs to learn simply through living their life and through their own personal experiences and situations the world gives them. Three lessons that I learned this year. First one was how to adapt to new cultures and communities. I studied abroad in Barcelona, Spain last semester, and I was there for 2.5 months. So learning how to adapt to this brand new European culture, speaking a different language, and then each weekend we were traveling to different countries. So learning how to adapt just on the whim to these countries was really huge. And then second was being proactive and finding opportunities. Due to COVID this summer, all the internships I was interested in ended up getting canceled, but I ended up landing an externship through Zoom with Fox Sports, and I completed that. And then continuing trying new things and getting out of my comfort zone. I'm always finding myself doing this within this past year, where it goes from trying new foods, taking new classes, going to new places. Just in general, that's something I really started doing. And three skills I'm looking to learn with my project would either be graphic design, videography, or photography. I mainly focus on public relations, so learning either of these three skills I think would really add to my skill set.